will start distance, displacement, velocity, speed and acceleration. So understood now. We are coming with distance. See, I know that you have a basic idea about this all thing. So I will not go in a very down. So I will just give you recap. So understood that very clearly, bacha. Distance. When the words are coming distance, what does it mean? And when one word is coming displacement. So what your distance means the shortest, yeah, the total length of a path covered by a moving object. If total length of path covered by a moving object is called distance. If any object is there, whatever path of length they will cover, that is called distance. Example, suppose you have started from a point A, you came to point B, then you went to point C. This distance is 4 meter and suppose this distance is 3 meter. So I ask you from A to B plus B to C, total how much distance you covered? Then you will say, sir, 4 meter plus 3 meter, we covered 7 meter. Then I said, very good, you are a good boy. Okay, so bacha, we are adding. So distance is a addition. Addition is what? It is a algebraic sum. It is a algebraic sums. Is that clear? What is distance? So distance is a algebraic sums. Next point, if I want to discuss with you, SI unit of distance. So SI unit of distance is meter. Next thing, if I want to discuss with you, CGS unit, a small unit bacha of distance is, I am giving a dash for you. You will tell me what is the CGS unit. You should comment here because your comment should give appreciation to me also to do more. Okay. So now carry on next point. It is always positive. So distance is always bacha mere positive. It means we should not consider distance as a negative or zero. Why? Because you are always adding na. When you are adding something, you will always get positive value. So distance is always positive. Any doubts? No, sir. So take a screenshot, then we will discuss more. Otherwise, wait, one point more I want to discuss with you. Dimension formula. On that we said na, dimension formula. So distance, what is there? Mass is there? No, sir. So m 0. Length is there? Yes, sir. Meter. How many? 1, sir. L1. Time is there? No, sir. T0. So m0, L1, T0. It means directly you write L. Yeah, L1. Any doubts? Write down. Then we will discuss something more about that. Okay? So now, bacha, we will discuss about displacement. What is displacement? If someone will ask you, then now I discuss with you, bacha. What I discuss with you? I discuss with you, if you want to go from point A to B and B to C, this is 4 meter and this is 3 meter. I asked you, what is the shortest path? Shortest way you should go here. Then you will say, sir, directly, this is the shortest way. Then I will say, wow, my students are very brilliant. So this is the shortest path, and shortest path is always a straight line. So displacement is the shortest point between final and end point, a starting point and end point. So right, the shortest path, a shortest distance, the shortest path between a starting point and end point is called displacement. Any doubts? So the shortest path between starting point and end point is called displacement. But here also we are adding na, sorry, meter is there na, so SI unit is also meter here. Because you are calculating length na, so SI unit of displacement is meter. Any doubts? No sir. Next point बच्चा, if I say CGS unit is also centimeter as like distance. बच्चा dimension formula, we will discuss every each and point. Dimension formula. So dimension formula is, tell me anyone, m0, l1, t0. Any doubts? You can write l1 या l directly. Any doubts? No sir. So these few things we discussed. Next part बच्चा, one keyword is there, note. Displacement is always straight line. So displacement is always a straight line. Next thing, if a starting point and end point is same, then displacement is zero. Any doubts? No sir. Write down. We will discuss why it is zero. I will discuss you. Just do it now. I hope it is clear to you. Now, if I should discuss more part बच्चा, then see here. There are two types of quantity. Quantity are two types. What are they? One is a scalar quantity and one is vector quantity. Any doubts? No sir. Quantity are two types, a scalar quantity and vector quantity. Now question come, what is a scalar quantity बच्चा? Anyone knows among you? I think if you know, then tell me. The quantity which has both magnitude and direction. If in a quantity बच्चा both thing is there, magnitude means what? Number is also there, value. Sorry. A quantity which has only magnitude, no direction, only magnitude, only number. Suppose you went to one vendor shop and you ask them, Anna, give me rice. Will you say them, Anna, give me rice from north? No. What you will say? Anna, give me rice 5 kg, 10 kg. So you are just saying some value. So example, 5 kg, 5 meter, 5 second. Understood? So these all are a scalar quantity. Any doubts? No sir. So what is vector quantity? A quantity which has both magnitude and direction. Suppose if in this value meter, example I am saying you, if I had 5 meter, but in the meter I use the term east, 5 meter east. Suppose you came from somewhere to railway station. From railway station you ask them, sir, I want to go to Patna. Yeah, I want to go to Connaught Place. Yeah, I want to go to some particular temple. They will say from here 3 kilometers. But they not say in which direction you have to go. So when direction is specified with number, with value, then it is called vector quantity. So bacha, distance and displacement. In a distance, is any direction is there? No. You can go anywhere. But in a displacement, particular direction is there. Understood here? I said you have to go A to B and B to C. 3 meter, 4 meter. So you go from here. Any direction is there? No sir. You can go as like this. You can go as like this. You can go anywhere to see. But when I say what is the shortest way you will go, then you will say, sir, this is the shortest way. So this is a particular direction, no? So displacement is a vector quantity. Right now, keep in mind. Next, velocity is a vector quantity. Next, force is a vector quantity. Next, acceleration is a vector quantity. This word we will discuss later. Now keep in mind. Etc. is there. Here, bacha, speed, a scalar quantity. Distance, a scalar quantity. These all things we will discuss. Work, a scalar quantity. Any doubts? No. So write down. I hope you did it. No. Now I said to you, one object started from point A. He went north 4 km. It means here 4 km. Then east. East means this way. How much? I said 3 km. To see, I asked you total distance. Total distance. Then what you will say? So 4 plus 3 is 7 km. And but when I ask you displacement, then you will say, what is this teacher? What he is asking to me? So displacement is what structure? Displacement means shortest path. This is the shortest path. So bacha, if you observe, it is a right angle triangle. Yes, sir. And this line we call hypotenuse. It is H, and it is P, and it is B. So you know one relation, Pythagoras theorem, P squared plus B squared is equal to H squared. You have to find this length. Bacha, P is how much? 4. So 4 km, 4 square. B is how much? 3. So 3 square is equal to H square. 4 square, bacha, 16. 3 square, 9 is equal to H square. So 16 plus 9, 25. H square. A square will come this side, it become root 25 meter. Root under 25 meter. H. Root 25 means what? 5 meter. The displacement is 5 meter. You observe now. It is shortest na. It is 7. It is 5 kilometer. Sorry. Any doubts? No, sir. Write down. So I will give you one more problem on that. One more problem is there. Understood. I said one word, distance and displacement. What happened? I said in a displacement, bacha, if a starting point and end point is same, it is 0. So understand how. You started from point A, you went to point B, and you covered 20 meters. From point B, again you came to point A. What distance you covered? Tell me. Distance. Then you will say, sir, 20 I went, 20 I came. So total I covered 40 meters. Now my question is displacement. So suddenly it will hit in your mind. Sir, displacement means shortest path. So from here to here, the starting point is this one and end point is this one. Shortest path, shortest distance, nothing, sir. It is same now. So 0. Understood? So if a starting point and end point is same, it is called 0. In the case of displacement. I hope you understood. So one more question I am giving you. Object went to south from here and cover 8 meters from A to B. Then from south he came to west and covered 6 meters. Now my question is that distance and displacement. Distance how much and displacement how much. So this question I am giving you homework, comment the answer. Okay? You just have to comment your answer. Is that clear? Okay. Now next. Beta, we have 4 cases are here. 4 cases. Circular path. Bacha, this is circular path. Case number 1, understand first. Case 1. Bacha, circular path has radius R, point A. I said object started from A. From A to A. It started from A and again it came back to A. It started from here and again came back to A. I asked you distance. Then you will say, sir, distance is this path na, and this path we call perimeter of a circle. Yes, circumference of a circle. Then what is the circumference of a circle? 2 pi r. So sir, distance is 2 pi r. Any doubts? No, sir. So 1 revolution, 2 pi r. 2 revolution, 2 pi r into 2. 3 revolution, 2 pi r into 3. Next, I ask you displacement. Now tell me displacement. Then you will solve. Sir, it started from A and again came to A. A starting point and end point is same, sir. So displacement is 0. Any doubts? No, sir. Next case. Bacha, I divided this circle in two equal parts. So this is center O and this is point A and it came to point B. Now what I am saying, object started from point A and it came to point B. Started from A and it came to point B. Radius is R. Distance. Sir, if it is complete circle, distance is 2 pi r. Half circle, so 2 pi r by 2 meter. Yeah, whatever units. So it is pi r, sir. Distance is pi r. Now I ask you displacement. So sir, you will say, sir, displacement, sir, started this one, but shortest path displacement, sir. What is the shortest path, sir? So you will say, sir, shortest path is this straight line. This is a straight line. So sir, this is R, then this is also R, because radius are equal. So R plus R, 2R. Any doubts? No. So sir, complete circle, semicircle, half round, two cases. Third case we will discuss now. Write down, take a screenshot. Now third case is what, bacha? Suppose you got semicircle. Now again I divided this semicircle in again two equal parts. Then you will get this figure as like this. And I taken this point B now. So it is called quadrant. Bacha, if it is R, this is also R, because radius are equal. Now I ask you distance. Sir, complete circle 2 pi r, half circle pi r. It is 1/4 part, na sir. So pi r by 2. Yeah, 2 pi r by 4. Complete circle fourth part. So 2 pi r by 4. So pi r by 2. Yeah, half circle half. So pi r by 2. Displacement I ask you now. What is the displacement? Then you will say to me, sir, displacement is shortest path. What is the shortest path? This is the shortest path. And sir, again here one triangle is there, sir. And this is hypotenuse. So we can say that, sir, h square is equal to b square plus b square, sir. Any doubts? No. So sir, h square is equal to r square plus r square. R square plus r square, 2r square. So h square is equal to 2r square. So h is equal to, bacha, root under 2r square. So r square will come out, r will come out inside root. So h is equal to root 2 r. So this is your displacement in a 1/4 part of a circle. Any doubts? No. Right down. So displacement is root under 2 r. So beta, we discussed this much concept in this second part. I hope